Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile 757, working on a Pontiac Firebird Classic. Customers having an issue with the air condition. When you're going to diagnose the air condition, the first thing you want to do is find the lower charging port. In this case right here, this receiver and dryer, I always look for the thickest wire, the thickest AC line. That's going to be your low side. So all I'm going to do, this is just a mechanic tip, I'm going to use a can because I have gauges, but I'm going to use a can that everybody can pick up in the store, and a gauge, real simple gauge, and I'm going to put it on the port. All I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this back and push it on here, and it should have Freon in it. And let's see the pressure. So the AC does have Freon. So this is a good way to see why your compressor is not running, because if it has no Freon in it, it is not going to run whatsoever. This has Freon in it. So now I'm going to come over, start the vehicle. This is just a very quick AC diagnostic for everybody to do themselves, nothing fancy. I'm going to turn on the air condition, and we're going to see what the compressor is or is not doing. The clutch on the compressor should be spinning, and the pressure should be reading completely different. I'm looking for the air compression clutch in the compressor, and it is doing absolutely nothing in the clutch. So if your air compressor is not even engaging, but it does have Freon, you have to do a little bit more in-depth diagnostic. But at least you will know where the port is to check to see if there's any pressure. And if you put it on, that means it has Freon in it, but the compressor is not engaging. If the compressor was engaging, this would move this way. This is just a short mechanic tip of where the compressor, if it's on or not, and also if there's any Freon in the system, and then you go a further diagnostic. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.